Homes like you've never seen except in your favorite episodes of The Jetsons. And now audiences can take a tour inside some of the most tricked out abodes in Crackle's original series, Smart Home Nation. Let's welcome the show's host, Tanya Memme. So good to have you.
Hi, thanks for having me. This is great.
Okay, so what do you think was the most outrageous thing that you saw in these homes?
Okay, most outrageous thing. I mean, aside from the size of the homes, and the size of everything, I would say the coolest thing that I saw too was there was a
Homes like you've never seen except in your favorite episodes of Homes like you've never seen except in your favorite episodes of The Jetsons. And now audiences can take a tour inside some of the most tricked out abodes in Crackle's original series, Smart Home Nation. Let's welcome the show's host, Tanya Memme. So good to have you.
Hi, thanks for having me. This is great.
Okay, so what do you think was the most outrageous thing that you saw in these homes?
Okay, most outrageous thing. I mean, aside from the size of the homes, and the size of everything, I would say the coolest thing that I saw too was there was a fireplace that I had no idea that this existed. There was so much technology I didn't know existed, but it was like fluffy fire because it was actually based on vapor. So it's a water-based fireplace, which I know you probably haven't heard of it before, but basically
it sounds like a contradiction of terms.
Right, totally. But it's a vapor fireplace, and it's kind of fluffy. It changes different colors. It's safe for kids. It's safe for animals. It's safe around the house. You can design them in whatever type of design you want. So they come in a million different designs. And you're not using any gas, so there's no carbon footprint with these. So you also feel good buying these, but you can run your hand over it, which is so cool, because it looks like real fire, but it's not real fire.
Interesting. So that's just one of the very interesting, I guess, smart devices within the house. But that's really what the show is all about, isn't it?
Yeah, the show is all about home tech and everything that's hot and cool in home tech these days. And it really takes you into the world of home technology. And it's interesting because a lot of us don't even know that what you might find in a $19 million home, you can scale it down and bring it into your own home. And that's what we're showing you on this show as well.
Yeah, so when you talk about the scale of the house, so you're talking about the average over the course of 10 episodes was $19 million, but they also went up from there.
They went up, I'd say the most expensive home was about $50 million.
Gosh, goodness gracious. Okay, so in a $50 million home, so what made it smart?
I mean, just everything. So they have so there's the heart of the home or the brain of the home, and that's where there's miles and miles and miles of wiring that you don't see that's inside the walls of the home. And that's what we use what's called an integrator for. So the integrators, you hire them, they come to the home. While you're building the home, they hook it all up. Everything culminates in this touchpad on the wall. This touchpad, it controls everything that you can imagine in the house. The lighting, the thermostat, the windows, the drapery or the curtains, whatever. The pools, the watering system, everything that you can imagine, it's all on a touchpad. So, for example, you can walk into a home and touch one button, and let's say it's like the sun is setting, that's what's going on outside. So you say sunset, touch the button, the drapes will go up, the windows will open, the thermostat adjusts, the fireplace goes on, the whatever, it's all, you can even have something in the oven can go on too. So it's very personalized. It's very easy to use. I know it sounds complicated, but it is quite easy to use at the touch of a button.
Indeed. So over the course of 10 episodes, you travel to homes throughout Canada, the U.S., in Malibu, you were saying, in Los Angeles, and also Niagara Falls. So it's a really fascinating concept for a series. This is on Crackle. Where can people look it up?
Yeah, it's on Crackle. So you can watch it on crackle.com, and it's for free, just so you know. And for your mobile devices and that, you just download the Crackle app and you can watch it there. The entire series for free on Crackle.
Smart Home Nation. Tanya, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
We're back in 2 minutes.